Nå reiser vi tilbake til Tyskland for den neste presentasjonen fra daglig leder av WEM. Han heter Hagen Ellert. WEM er et firma som lenge har produsert leirpuss og leirpaneler som alternativ til gipsplater, og nå har utviklet klimapaneler. En mulighet for effektiv kjøling og oppvarming av både eksisterende og nybygg. Da sier vi vær så god til Hagen Ellert, Managing Director of WEM. Vær så god.
We have been developing and producing heating and cooling systems since 1999. Our systems are based on natural materials, especially clay and wood. Our main product is our climate panel. It's a 25 millimeter thick clay panel with pipes or electric cables inside. These panels are 62.5 centimeters wide, and we have three sizes from a height of 80 centimeters, 1 meter 60 and 2 meters. The panels are made of prepared clay. We mix clay with only the special kinds of sand and plant fibers. In the surfaces, we add a glass mesh on both sides. We have special panels for cooling and the ceilings. In this panels we add a little bit of dispersion, but it's less than 1%. We do it to make it not waterproof, but to stabilize it a little bit for the case it's getting wet or moisty. If you cool too much, then it can condensate at the panels and it can get wet. In addition, for our climate panels, we offer normal clay panels without cables or pipes. We also have clay plasters and clay colors. We produce all the things here in Poland. Also, we offer hydraulical and electrical things to complete our systems. And we add our customers with planning and calculation for their projects. Most of our projects are private houses and hotels, wooden houses, and monuments. We have a lot of monuments as customers. We combine clay and panel heating, besides the environmental effects, to get a perfect indoor climate. This is determined by following aspects. Temperature. Humans usually feel comfortable at temperatures around 20 to 25 degrees. That is why we heat and cool. But also the temperature distribution is important. And this is very balanced with panel heating. Heated surfaces radiate onto unheated surfaces and warm them up as well. So after a while, there's an even temperature distribution throughout the room. Air circulation. Conventional heating systems heat the air through convection, means by air circulation. Not so with panel heating systems. Panel heating radiate. Surface cooling also works with heat radiation. Only in reverse. The human body radiates to the cool surfaces. Humidity. Comfortable humidity is around about 40 to 50%, and clay is able to absorb a lot of moisture and to release it when the air becomes too dry. This makes it possible to keep the humidity within certain limits. Acoustics. Clay is a heavy and soft material and has good properties of sound absorption. Also because it's a rough surface. We do not use chemical additives that produce emissions or odor. So we also have good air quality with clay in the room. Now to the environmental aspects. For heating with panels, we only need low water temperatures, around 30 to 40 degrees. So it's suitable to heat for heating pumps or gas condensing heaters. The lower the water temperature, the more efficient these devices are, and we get better carbon dioxide footprint. You see in the chart, a conventional heater produces about twice as much carbon like a heating pump. Now we have normal oil or gas heaters. We have around about 320 grams per kilowatt hour carbon. In opposite of gas heating pumps, we have 150 to 200 grams per kilowatt hour. And if you combine the heating pump with renewable energies, we can reduce the carbon content even further. In opposite to other systems, we save a lot of energy and also carbon dioxide on the manufacturing and selection of the materials. More than 2 megajoules of energy are needed to produce cement or gypsum. Clay mined from clay pits are also requires more than 1 megajoule. The clay we use is a waste product from mining ceramic clay or from construction sites from excavation. To get ready material, we don't need any terminal process. We only have to crush it and mix it with sand and plant fibers. Most of the energy we need is for drying the shade panels, and for this we use combined heat power station, gas motor to produce electrical energies and heat as well. And we use a heat recovery with heating pump. The rest of the heat, with a very low temperature, which we can no longer use for drying, use for heating our building. That's possible only with heating panels. This is our company building, 2,000 square meter production and warehouse. And around about 300 square meters of office on 2 floors. We built it in 2018, and of course we use all our systems for the building. The warehouse and production is heated by a floor heating system in the concrete floor. And the office is heated and cooled by climate panels in the ceiling. You see it here. For mounting, we need a panel lifter, and the panels are screwed on a metal construction, a standard metal construction. The washers to screw the panels are already mounted in the panels. Our office has 333 square meters, the heating load from 14 kilowatt, cooling load from 9.7 kilowatt. We use 35 to 30 degree water temperature for heating and 18-16 for cooling. It's not possible with the system to cool down the office to 20 degrees when it's outside temperature from 40 degrees. But last summer it was really hot here in Koblenz. We had 35 to 38 degree outside temperature, and in the office not more than 25 degrees. It was comfortable and a good climate to work. The panels are connected with pipe ends, prefabricated pipe ends in the cavity of the ceiling. We connect maximum of 5 panels for one heating circuit. And heating circuits are connected with manifolds. The manifolds also mounted in the ceiling cavity. The remaining surfaces are closed with clay panels without pipes. With plates without pipes, can be cut to the right side. The last step is plastering the ceiling with 2 layers of clay plasters. Each layer is around about 3 to 4 millimeters, and in between the layers is a glass mesh. This is our office now, ground floor and first floor. The interior walls are wood frames covered with clay panels as well. Clay panels without pipes. The exterior walls, stone walls, are covered also with clay. The floor is constructed with wood fiber panels and wooden floorboards or boards in the first floor and linoleum in the ground floor. All in all, it's a nearly perfect climate here in office. On our website, we have presented some facilities where you can experience the climate for yourself. Mostly hotels, restaurants, museums. Most of them are in Germany and in other countries of Central Europe. Some overseas, but unfortunately none in Norway or in other northern European countries. So, all in all, in summary, I think that our climate elements are suitable for reducing carbon dioxide emissions. Firstly, we use secondary rough material, clay that is produced anyway on building pits or mining clay for ceramics. Instead of deposing it, we process it further. And the second thing is the water temperature. We only use low water temperature during heating. So we can use efficient low temperature heaters like heating pumps. So, thank you for your attention.